Today we're going to a barn in the middle of the ocean. It's completely surrounded by water, but one thing, it's full of abandoned cars. Well, not quite, but it has quite a lot of abandoned cars, and we're gonna check it out today. So my boat just left, and I guess it's time to start exploring, and I think the guy's just waiting over here. Hello! Hello! So, what, like, where's your first car? My first car is in the barn that burnt down. Oh. Oh, wait. That looks like the war van that we saw in the last video. Wait. Whoa. Yet this literally is the same exact car that we saw on that one day. Look, it even has a war helmet that's all broken. Dude, this is the same exact truck that we found in the river and put back together. Wait, hold on. There's only one way. Oh my gosh, it is. And it looks better than the other one. Wait, does it have the bullet shot in the back? It doesn't. And it actually still has a bit of a nub. And look, I was right. This is the engine. Well, I was wrong. I mean, this is the engine for the car. You must have took it out. Here's a radiator. I never found that. We got a square boxy tire thingy. So, just feel free to explore. My first cars are in the back of the barn, and there's a tank right behind you. What? Where? Oh my gosh, there's a tank! It's right, there is a tank. This thing's covered in grass. Look at this. Look at this. Look, I can go under it. That tree's lifting it. There's a taxi here. This taxi's blending in with the tree. Look at this car. So, he is a war man, so that's probably why he has all of this. Some of these cars I may do revivals on. Like, look at this old tractor, too. We got an old... Oh, right. I think I remember when I was talking to him on the phone, he said his first crash was with this red SUV. There was a car coming on the wrong side of the road. He had to swerve out. He hit the curb as the tires exploded. Car flipped over and scraped on the sidewalk for like maybe 5-6 feet. As you can see, that light is gone. Whoa. Is this... I forgot its name, but it's a Lamborghini. Look at that. No plants under it. That's a light Lamborghini. This must have been his second car. This old Bugatti. He said I'm not allowed to, like, take it because, like, same with the first one that he's ever gotten. Wow. Wait, is that a Model T or Model A? I get them mixed up all the time. Wait, does this thing have an engine? Oh, it does! There's an engine in there. Don't tell me I just broke it. Okay, thank you. Okay, we have 2 or 3 cars stacked on top of each other. I think that's 2? 3? No, 3. It's 3. Look at this old van, too. It's just covered in poppies. No, that's not poppies. Wow. Okay, I heard him also say on the phone that his kid like to build cars. And is that a limo taxi? Not a limo van? Look at this. What is this? Look at this car. It's like a tiny. Look at this car. It's even more tiny. Look at this one. They just took a normal car, cut it in half, and like he took off the middle and put it like that. Look, you can still see the weldings of each spot. He like cut multiple vans in half and just connected them all together. Look at this. I see red flowers and a boat, and that red flowers is probably, yep. Is that a G-Wagon? Oh, I have to tell him about this. Oh yeah, that G-Wagon, it rolled down, I forgot to put it on park, and my son bumped into it with one of his other cars. It rolled down and went right into the water. And it's just been there ever since. It's very rusty and covered in flowers. And also that boat, feel free to explore it. So that means this car would have been right here, and it rolled down. Weird spot to park your car, but whatever. Look at this. We literally got buoys. Look at this. It's just falling apart, this boat. Wow. I should probably go over there. It's that nice. Okay. So there's. Hold on. Alright. Anyway, so that's the smokestack. Oh, there's water in there. That's actually quite creepy. Because you don't know how far it goes down. Oh, there's a dead fish there. Those like smokestacks. Oh, there's plants coming out of this smokestack. This would have been a nice boat too. And nature's just slowly taking it. Wonder how long this thing's been here. Oh, I want to know more about that armored van and that saw all the holes in the wall. Wait, why is there so many holes in the walls of the place? Oh, that is because there's a armored truck, and when I was younger, I used to drive it around, and then I decided to ram it through the barn, and I just never thought of fixing it. And if you want, you can take it. I think it still runs. Here's all the keys to the cars if you want to revive any of them. Oh, sweet. Oh yeah, and what caused the fire? Oh, there's a little like Jeep car over there. I was working on it one day, and then I left it for like a day or so, and then the battery wasn't really hooked up right, and my son tried to start it, and it never started, so he left the key on by accident, and it caught on fire because like a bunch of sparks were going off, and then it caught fire, and I saw the smoke, and then I rushed over there and called the police. Wow. How did the police even get here? Probably by helicopter. Oh, here, this is probably it. Or is this it? They're both Jeeps. I kind of feel like it's this one, but at the same time, I feel like it's this one. Oh, look at this car. There's an engine in there. Hold on. Oh, that trunk is destroyed. Okay, that does. I want to see if this thing runs, because it has an engine and stuff. Let's just see. shifted a gear? Oh. Wow, this thing fired right up. Oh, so that's where it was sitting. Thing is, I'm more interested in old cars, so I'm just gonna park it back where it was. Thing gets hot very fast. Did you hear all the clicking when I got out? He said he wants to sell the farm to me, while on the phone. Hey, are you still interested of selling the barn to me? Yeah, you can have it if you want. I actually bought a new place, back on shoreland. Oh. Okay. I kind of want to do a revival on this because this thing looks cool. Look at that. There's plants coming out of the thing where the corn comes out usually. Look at this car. This car must have been in the fire. The roof fell on it. Wow. Put that back on. This thing looks like it has not been sitting for, oh my goodness. This thing has not been sitting for long, so I'm just gonna try to pull it out. He said not to touch the old, his two first cars. Guess he would be fine about this. I'm just gonna bring it to the flatter area. Ooh. Most of the weight is just from the engine. Alright, make sure we have a clear way. Alright, here we go. Ooh. Whoa. What is this? What is this? What is it? Pieces of metal? What is this? Solar panels? Question mark? What is this? What is this big piece of gold or something? What is this? Is this a satellite? Oh my gosh. This is a satellite. There's even an inside. Look, you can see the power grid. What? This must have crash landed here. What is that? Hold on, I need to get back to him. There's no brakes on that thing. There's only just reverse and forward. Okay, time to. Why is there a crushed satellite? Oh yeah, it crushed there before the barn, a day before the barn fire. I didn't know what to do with it, so I just left it there, and the cops never noticed. So I guess I just keep it. And also, there was a car exactly where it landed, but it got pushed really far and clumped up in dirt. Yeah, there was multiple actually. Ooh. Okay, I skipped over the rest of them, but this car was not here. It was over there. That's the car that was. It was right here. No, right here. He said. And then. Sat right here. Alright, guess that's the barn. And also, there's more actually. So this he found underground. It's an old army truck. And this is not a bus, this is an RV. And who knows how to open this thing? Oh, there's mold in there. We got an old car right here. Door opens. Nice interior. Look at this nice Jeep. Door's locked. Hood's locked. Oh, I didn't even notice this car. Dang, it's covered in moss. Very bright green moss. I wonder if this... They still open. So, this he found at a junkyard planning to restore it, but he just forgot about it. This he was going through a bad neighborhood and then people started shooting at him. And he's so lucky because not a single one penetrated the inside of his car. All of them missed. Over here we have his old RV that kind of looks familiar. We got this old quad. We got this car filling up with grass. This really cool looking car that I will restore unless it just starts right up. Okay. Oh, and yes, I'm gonna do that bus. Got this weird car. The armored truck. Yeah, it was right. It starts right up. There's a bit of grass and stuff on it. Let's ram through the thing. That thing is a lot stronger than I thought. Alright. It's been sitting for a hot minute too. And we also have some work vehicles that are also abandoned here. Like, look at this. Hold on, I'm gonna climb on top of it. Oh, I just noticed that this part is not really secured, so, oh gosh! Oh, my legs! Oh. This just fell off. And I stepped on it. Okay, maybe I shouldn't step on it then. So we have lots of work to do on this place, but that will be in a future video. Because I need to go home and eat. Wait, I am home, but I need to eat. Okay,